Well, welcome to Rusted and Restored Auto Sales today. Today we've got a really cool 4x4. It's a 1969 Ford Bumpside. It's a super clean truck pretty much, like not a lot of rust. The underneath frame's all nice. It is missing the engine and transmission, but it does have the transfer case and all that fun stuff, plus a whole bunch of random 390 parts. Got newer mud tires on it. Floor's pretty good. This would make a great project for you. What would you put in it? Just another FE block? Or would you put 429? Or would you go a Chevy engine, put a 454 in it? Or would you come and swap it? Let me know in the comments what you would do. If you're ever looking for a project, make sure to check our page out at Rusted and Restored Auto Sales. Link is in the description, and make sure to like, subscribe, because it makes a big difference. Thank you so much.